He's our veteran. He wants to talk to us. Most of us wasn't born 1967-70. If you want to know what happened, listen very carefully. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Biafra. My name is David Okonkwo. I'm from Umuchu. Umuchu to Oka is 50 miles. Then from Onitsha to Umuchu is the same 50 miles. I will still find out which province I belong to. If it's not Oka, it's going to be Onitsha. I was here during the war. You know that every individual, especially Nigerians, including the Northerners, even few of them, who came to this country, is to acquire education and nothing else. Not like this time. Some people say they want to come to Britain to make money. But in those days, we came here to study. And it happened that I was here and was caught up with the 1967 war. During that time, you know what especially we Igbos, you know what we are like. Once an Igbo man is on the floor and cry, we call it a aquale. The rest of the individuals near him, they put in their lives and see the end of that problem. When the war started, we have few individuals. Those individuals, they were here before us. Some of them have graduated, and it happened that we bumped into them. And they started lecturing us, motivating us. When the war was at the peak, I remember one doctor and his unscrupulous colleagues. They arranged for all the Igbos to be coming at the hall called Batasi Town Hall. You can check it out. Not all the Igbos have left. Some of them are still in this country, and they know exactly what happened in those days. Those of our leaders, they arranged for meeting at Batasi Town Hall. Batasi Town Hall accommodates almost 1,000 individuals. Check it out. All of us gathered inside Batasi Town Hall to make a contribution in restoration of that Biafra. Because Ojukwu, Odumeku Ojukwu, our leader at that time, wanted some students here to contribute as little as they could. And we started. You can imagine if you were with us at that particular time. Some of these individuals, their parents sent them here to study. They abandoned their studies and joined the struggle. Some of them used their school fees to make the contribution, of which I was one of them. They started making a lot of contribution towards the restoration of that Biafra. And you can imagine 10 pounds into 1,000. You can imagine how much that we can do.